Spelling practice.
Listen to the letters carefully, and find the phrase. Question 1.
A R E Y O U M I double S I N G M E
Are you missing me?
Question 2.
Listen carefully and find the phrase.
N O T H I N G I S I M P O double S I B L E.
Question 3.
Listen carefully and find the phrase.
Y O U C A double L I T M A D N E double S B U T I C A double L I T L O V E.
Question 4.
Listen carefully and find the phrase.
N O C O double M E N T.
Question 5.
Listen carefully and find the phrase.
I T I S B E Y O N D M E. Bonus question.
Listen carefully and find the phrase.
Y O U R S T O R Y I S F I S H Y.